Hi students, welcome back. Today in this video session we will learn about what is oxidation, what is reduction, as well what is redox reaction. Simply here, redox reaction is nothing but the reaction which having both the process, one is oxidation process and one is reduction process, called redox reaction. So here, before going to understand what is redox reaction, first we need to learn about what is oxidation and what is reduction. Simply here, we observe that while writing a chemical equation, that is conversion from reactant to product, if we observe that the reaction occurred due to oxidation state change, we can classify the reaction as oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. Or if the reaction occurred due to addition of oxygen or removal of oxygen, also we can classify that reaction whether it's oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. Coming to third definition, here if the reaction is occurred due to addition of hydrogen or removal of hydrogen, then also we can classify the reaction is whether it's oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. So here we can classify oxidation reaction or reduction reaction by taking these three changes. If in a reaction is there any change in the oxidation state, that means electron transfer. Based on the electron transfer, we can classify what is oxidation, what is reduction. Based on addition of oxygen, removal of oxygen, also we can classify what is oxidation reaction and what is reduction reaction. Coming to third one, based on the addition of hydrogen or removal of hydrogen, also we can classify whether it's a oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. So how can we classify? If oxygen is added, then what is that reaction? If oxygen is eliminated, then what is the reaction called? That we will discuss in this video session. So let's begin. What is oxidation and what is reduction? So simply here I am writing oxidation, here I am taking reduction to classify clearly. Here just we observe that the oxidation and reduction we can classify based on the electron change, or based on the hydrogen change. That means based on addition, based on removal, we can classify whether it's oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. As well depends on oxygen addition or oxygen removal, also we can classify whether the reaction is oxidized or reduced. Now we'll discuss how we can classify with respect to electron, with respect to hydrogen, with respect to oxygen. Simply here, oxidation reactions nothing but, so simple definition, if the reaction occurred due to removal of electron called oxidation reaction. Now coming to with respect to hydrogen, here hydrogen oxygen we will observe special in organic chemistry, electron in inorganic chemistry, electrochemistry. When we are removing electron called oxidation, when we are adding electron called reduction. So simply here with respect to electron, when we are removing electron called oxidation, so opposite to the oxidation called reduction. So simple addition of called reduction, addition of electron called reduction. Coming to hydrogen and oxygen, with respect to hydrogen, simply here removal of hydrogen, if the reaction occurred because of removing hydrogen, that is called oxidation reaction, removal of hydrogen. Then what about reduction? Opposite to oxidation, here addition of hydrogen, called reduction. Now coming to third definition with respect to oxygen, simply here addition of oxygen called oxidation reaction. So here removal of oxygen, called reduction reaction. Simply if we observe in a reaction there is a oxidation state change, that means that low oxidation state to higher oxidation state, that means when the positive charge increasing, that is oxidation reaction. when the positive charge decreasing, negative charge increasing, that is called reduction with respect to electron. Coming to next, with respect to hydrogen, if we are eliminating, removing hydrogen from the reactant, called oxidation reaction. If we are adding hydrogen to the reactant, called reduction reaction. Now coming to, with respect to oxygen, if we are adding oxygen to the reactant, adding oxygen to the reactant, called oxidation reaction. When we are removing oxygen, from the reactant, called reduction reaction. So I hope you understand well. So simply this is the definition for oxidation and reduction with respect to electron, with respect to hydrogen, with respect to oxygen. Now here I am taking some examples. So by doing that examples, it's easy to understand what is oxidation and what is reduction. Now here the first group elements which are ready to donate one electron, so they are donating one electron. So what happening here? Loss of electron. See here, this neutral sodium converted into ionic form, that is positively charged. When we are removing electron, then fragment gets positive charge. When we are adding electron, then fragment gets negative charge. Simply here, so here removal of electron from the neutral sodium atom, so known as oxidation reaction. Simply here I am taking hydrogen, which is acts as first group as well seventh group element. Now this is get converted into H plus electron, see removal of electron, called oxidation. Now here magnesium, when we are removing electron, magnesium belongs to second group, so it generates 2 electrons. So a magnesium undergoes oxidation. Magnesium existed in oxidation reaction. These are simply a basic fundamental reactions to understand what is oxidation. Now here I am taking with respect to hydrogen. See here, elimination of hydrogen, called oxidation reaction. Now see here H2S, which is treated with a Br2, Now we are getting products like HBr plus sulfur. See here, sulfur, from the sulfur 2 hydrogens are lost, and that one hydrogen combined with 1 bromine, we got HBr. Like 2 hydrogens are combining with the 2 bromines, we are getting 2 moles of HBr and sulfur. So what happened? From the sulfur we removed hydrogen, so sulfur undergoes oxidation, sulfur experiencing oxidation reaction. Now coming to, with respect to oxygen, simply here when we are adding oxygen, so magnesium when react with oxygen, that means it's a combustion reaction. The burning presence of oxygen, the metal burning presence of oxygen, will get metal oxide, here. To this magnesium we added oxygen, so obviously it is a oxidation reaction, So here I am taking another reactions. Now coming to here, ferrous, which is reacting with the oxygen, get converted into ferrous oxide, that is a rusting. Ferrous undergoes oxidation reaction. Simply we are adding oxygen to this ferrous, so it's converts into Fe+2, oxygen minus 2. Like here we have 2 oxygens, so I am taking 2 ferrous, we are getting 2 ferrous oxides. Like that, here we have organic reactions. When we are adding oxygen to the organic molecule, example is an unsaturated compound. When we are taking a ozone, that means when we are doing ozonolysis to this alkene, we will get 2 moles of carbonyl compounds. Simply here see, this compound don't have any oxygen. After treating with O3, we got the 2 moles of carbonyl compound. Simply here this bond getting cleave, and here C double bond O is there. See here, this is also one of the examples of oxidation reaction. Like when we are adding electron, that is called reduction. When we are removing electron, that is called oxidation. So these are the examples for oxidation reaction. Now we'll discuss about reduction reaction. Simply here I am taking a more electronegative elements which are ready to accept electrons. That is one reason, as they have more than 4 valence electrons. Here see, each chlorine shows 7 valence electrons. So when we are adding 2 electrons to this Cl2, we will get 2Cl minus. See, addition of electron, then we are getting a negative fragments. So what type of reaction is this? This is reduction reaction. Now here I am taking F2. When we are adding 2 electrons, we will get a 2F minus. For example, here this is a neutral compound. When we are adding 2 electrons, we are getting negative fragment. This is also example for reduction reaction. Now that is copper plus 2. When it is at a plus 2 oxidation state, when we are adding 2 electrons, then we are getting neutral copper. This is also one of the example for reduction reaction. Example. Now I am taking other examples with respect to hydrogen. Simply here, this H2 is treating with a N2. We are getting ammonia, NH3. So here 2NH3, here 3H2. This is a balanced equation. See here, we are added hydrogen to this nitrogen. Addition of hydrogen, we are getting NH3. This is also one of the example for reduction reaction. So in same way, we can take H2 when treated with a Cl2, we'll get 2 moles of HCl. So this is also one of the example for reduction reaction. In same way, when we are taking the organic compounds, see here, this is an unsaturated compound. When we are taking this unsaturated compound into reduction, that means when we are adding H2, we will get saturated compound. Now coming to other examples with respect to oxygen. Simply here, ferrous oxide Fe2O3. When we are treating with a reducing agent, that is carbon, then we will get neutral ferrous 2Fe plus. Here carbon monoxide, 3 moles of carbon monoxide. Carbon undergoes oxidation, we are getting carbon monoxide. What about this ferrous oxide? Undergoes reduction, actually Fe2O3. Oxygen gives -2 oxidation state, so 3 oxygens are there, become -6. So each ferrous gives +3, so obviously +6 -6, it's a balanced. Now see here, when treating with a carbon, that ferrous converting +3 to 0 oxidation state means, so this ferrous is undergoing reduction. So this is one of the example for oxidation. Here I am taking another oxygen. See here, zinc oxide. When treated with a carbon, we will get zinc plus copper monoxide. What happening here? Zinc at a +2 oxidation state, after reaction we are getting 0 oxidation state. So this is an example for reduction. Here we can take Fe2O3, that is ferrous oxide. When treated with aluminium, ferrous reduces into neutral ferrous compound. Then what about aluminium? Aluminium get oxidized. Al2O3. See here, Fe2O3 plus Al gives Fe plus Al2O3. So here these are the examples for reduction reaction. See, what is oxidation? A removal of electron or removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen, that is called oxidation reaction. What is reduction reaction? That is addition of electron or addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen, called reduction reaction. So what about redox reaction? Simply, if the reaction in a same reaction, when we observe oxidation as well reduction, called redox reaction. Here simply I am taking Na plus Cl2, we will get NaCl. So this is basic reaction. When sodium react with chlorine, we will get NaCl salt. Before reaction, sodium oxidation state is 0. After reaction, sodium oxidation state is +1. What about chlorine? It's -1. It's a -1. Simply here sodium 0 to +1. That means removal of 1 electron. So this is called oxidation. Sodium oxidized into Na plus. What about Cl? 2Cl. See here, neutral Cl convert into Cl minus. That means we added 1 electron to 1 chlorine. So here Cl2 means it's a molecular form. When we are adding 2 electrons, these 2 electrons are coming from 2 sodiums. 2 sodiums, Cl, 2 Na, Cl2 will get 2 NaCl. This is a balanced equation. The 2 electrons are coming from 2 sodiums, then added to Cl2, then each Cl converted into Cl minus. So this is called reduction. Like if the reaction shows oxidation as well reduction, called redox reaction. Here we have other examples also. Simply see here, ferrous oxide. See, ferrous reduced to Fe0 from Fe+3. What about carbon neutral to carbon monoxide. That means +2 oxidation state. Here neutral to +2, carbon to carbon oxide. So carbon undergoes oxidation, ferrous undergoes reduction. So this is also one of the example for redox reaction. Now here also we can take zinc oxide plus carbon. See, zinc +2 to 0. So zinc undergoes reduction, and what about carbon undergoes oxidation. So this reaction also showing oxidation as well reduction. This is one of the examples of redox reaction. Here also we can observe, see, ferrous oxide with aluminium undergoing oxidation, this ferrous undergoing reduction. This is also one of the example for redox reaction. As well here we can take another example, that is copper sulfate treat with zinc, then we will get zinc sulfate plus copper. Actually before the reaction, copper +2 SO4 -2. Here zinc at 0 oxidation state. After reaction we are getting copper become 0, zinc become +2. See here, zinc converting 0 to +2, copper converting +2 to copper 0, copper zeros. That means this copper undergoing reduction, zinc undergoing oxidation. So in this reaction we are observing oxidation as well reduction. This is also one of the example for redox reaction. So this is the simple definitions for oxidation reactions and reduction reactions as well redox reactions. I hope you understand well what is oxidation, what is reduction, as well what is redox reaction. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.